Welcome to Lavanya Computer Classes. In this video, I will explain errors because I want to explain exception handling in Java. But before going to exception handling, first to find out what is an error, because exception means it is also an error. Handling the errors, handling exceptions. So before going to exception handling, first to find out what is an error. That's why I want to explain in this video what is an error, types of errors. After that, I will go for exception handling. So, what is an error? Error means nothing but a wrong, just mistake. Errors are wrongs or errors are mistakes that can make a program to going wrong. So, because of the mistake, it leads to an error. Because of that error, it is caused by the program, causing the program to produce unexpected result. We are expecting something, we are expecting some result. For getting that result, we are writing some program. So, but because of doing some mistakes, because of that error, the program is giving some wrong, unexpected answers, unexpected result because of that error. So that is an error. Error is nothing but a mistake. There are two types of errors are there. First one is the compile time error and the second one is runtime error. Compile time error and runtime error. First I will explain what is a compile time error. Compile time errors, we are finding these errors at the time of compilation only. In the name only it is there, compile time. These errors are finding at the time of compilation time only, at the time of compilation. These compile time errors are nothing but syntax errors. These are also called as syntax errors. These are simple and easy to find also. That's why at the compile time only you are getting all the types of errors. Those are called as syntax errors. You are finding almost all syntax errors. For example, I will see. We declare one variable like int a equal to 10. Actually in Java language or C language, each and every line is end with a semicolon. But here I am not keep semicolon here. That's why it is called a syntax error. Why it is giving syntax error means according to that syntax each and every line is end with a semicolon. Here semicolon is missing. So syntax error is nothing but a compile time error because semicolon is missing. So missing semicolon is one example of compile time error. And second example, int b equal to 10.2. Here b is a variable, semicolon is there. So if in this line it is also giving some mistake, some error, because it is also compile time error. Semicolon is there, variable declaration is also there. I assign some values, but only thing is b is here integer data type. Integer data type takes only integer value, but here mentioned floating value. Some compilers it takes 10 only, but some compiler it giving a type mismatch error. Because that is a floating point, here it is an integer. One more example, int c equal to 200 semicolon. Semicolon is there, value is there, but it is also showing some error. Which type of error means compile time error, because after int and c, data type and variable, there is no space. So that is also finding at the time of compilation. So these all are called as compile time errors. Not only these, some missing or mismatching brackets are there. Those are also compile time errors. Misspelling keywords. This is also one more example. Character s name equal to AA. Group of characters. This is a declaration time. This is also showing some error because all characters strings is compulsory keep it in the double quotation. If you are not keep double quotation, it's showing an error. So these all types of errors are called as compile time errors. Now we'll go for runtime error. What is a runtime error? Runtime errors are at the time of compilation, these is not possible to find out, but at the time of execution, These errors are found at the time of execution time only, at the time of execution. Whenever Java file is successfully created or successfully compiled, dot class file is created. But sometimes those are not running. Why means because of some errors. Those errors are called as logical errors or runtime errors. For finding these errors, for handling these, we require exception handling concepts. That's why before exception handling, find out what is the error. So these are syntactically correct but logically wrong. Here C is equal to A by B. Semicolon is there, syntactically it is correct. But it is working for some values also. But for some values, it is not working. See here, C is equal to A by B. If I'll give the value like A value 10, B value 2, that means what is the value of C here? C value is 10 by 2, that is 5. Without any problem, we are getting the answer. So program is correct in this case, in these values. If I'll giving A value 10, B value is 0, what is the value of C? C equal to 10 by 0. It is going to infinity. But in the computer, it's not possible to find infinity. So it is going to leads to an error, mistake. So which type of mistake this is? This is not compile time error because syntactically it is correct. This type of error is called as, it is called as an exception also because it is working for some values, it is not working for some values. So dividing by 0 is one type of runtime error and some more runtime errors also there. These are already all are explained in the next video. How to handle these errors. Thank you for watching my video. Please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.